The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Los Angeles EA beginning at 1 p.m. and ending at 4 p.m. KUSC. The following is an important message issued by the Los Angeles Police Department. An explosion has just occurred inside of the Japanese-American National Museum in downtown Los Angeles. It is unknown if this was an accident or an act of a terrorist attack, but the LAPD is currently working into the matter. At least 50 fatalities and around 130 injuries have been reported, with higher amounts possible. Police have set up roadblocks within a half-mile of the explosion site, so that civil authorities can handle this situation. All residents listening to this message are advised to stay away from the Japanese-American National Museum at this time. If you know more about this explosion, dial 911 immediately. This is an emergency situation. The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Los Angeles EA beginning at 1:15 p.m. and ending at 5:15 p.m. KUSC. This is a follow-up message from the message issued at 1 p.m. A second explosion has just occurred inside of the Hillside Elementary School near downtown Los Angeles. It is believed that these explosions are similar in nature, but this is being researched. 1 fatality and 6 more injuries have been reported from the second explosion. Also, an eyewitness saw a group of cars leaving right after the explosion took place. They have been reported to be a white Volkswagen, a yellow Chevrolet Caval SS wagon, and a blue sports car. They are believed to be driving in a group. If you see any of the cars, dial 911 with the location you have last spotted them. For your own safety, remain cautious for the day until this situation is over. This is an emergency situation.